चल रही है एचडीएफसी बैंक की बेस रेट कट पे। आइए सीधा वहीं चलते हैं और समझते हैं अपरेश स्तांकर क्या कह रहे हैं, जो कि एचडीएफसी की ईडी है।
If we compare with quarter and quarter, because quarter is ending today.
Sure.
So quarter and quarter, how much reduction have you seen in the cost of funds?
See, the base rate calculation is not based on an overall cost of funds calculation. It covers a couple of fixed deposit tenors which are specifically included in the calculation. It also includes the grossing up of the cost of our deposits by the CRR and SLR, and there's a small influence of the policy rates as well. So our overall reduction in interest rates and our overall reduction in cost of funds would be something which should happen gradually over a period of time, because it's not only for those tenors but across several tenors.
अभी हमारे कि आपने कोई एंटिसिपेशन नहीं रखा है कि आगे रेट कट होंगे, उसके लिए आप पहले से तैयारी नहीं कर रहे हो, जब भी रेट कट्स होंगे आप फिर उसको पास ऑन करेंगे?
हाँ, बिकॉज जो कैलकुलेशन होता है उसका इट्स नॉट समथिंग विच गिव्स यू अ चांस टू डू समथिंग प्रोएक्टिवली, बिकॉज देर आर स्पेसिफिक रेट्स विच वी इंक्लूड इन द कैलकुलेशन, एंड द होल आइडिया ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन इज कि जैसे जैसे रेट्स चेंज होते हैं डिपॉजिट रेट्स, या तो फिर CRR या SLR में कुछ बदलाव आता है, तो द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दैट गेट्स ट्रांसलेटेड into the rates on the base side.
So we can understand that we are moving now towards a softer interest rate scenario, because RBI also in its October policy had given a guidance that looking forward, if we see the inflation numbers sliding down, then we could move towards a more softer interest rate scenario. Are we seeing that situation coming in?
Yeah, I think the general anticipation is that there will be a reduction in policy rates in the Jan to March quarter, whether it happens in 2 tranches of 25 or otherwise. I think most participants in the market, most banks believe that there will be a 50 basis points reduction in policy rates in that quarter. But that by itself, is not enough, because ultimately the major impact on base rates for almost every bank will be the deposit costs which are included in that calculation. So in conjunction with what happens to policy rates, depending on what's the liquidity situation, I guess banks would react in terms of reducing their deposit rates, and it's only when the deposit rates are reduced, then that plus the policy rate changes will translate into further rate reductions on the lending side. So I think it's a combination of the liquidity scenario. As you're aware, right now the total borrowings under LAF are almost 1,40,000. I would be surprised if banks feel comfortable dropping deposit rates if the borrowings are as high as that. So if by that time you do have a reduction in the LAF borrowings, perhaps somewhere closer to 60,000-70,000 crores, then perhaps banks may be comfortable dropping deposit rates, taking a cue from the policy rate changes, and then that in turn should help essentially sort of the trend of declining interest rates.
So after the base rate cut, do we also see some following it by the deposit rate even in the selected tenures?
Not right now. I think you have seen the last few months some reduction in deposit rates, especially if you look at the 1-year rates, for instance, they were well above 9%. Now they're about 8.75. But at this point of time, I don't see a further reduction in deposit rates. As I said, till the liquidity scenario, in terms of overall banking system, liquidity scenario is a little more comfortable. As you know, again, if you look at the last deposit growth rate numbers which have come out, they have dropped pretty sharply. So, in such a scenario, I'm not sure banks will be comfortable dropping deposit rates any further.
So what kind of credit growth have you seen in the past quarter? So, and I mean, is it more a factor of you requiring to bring down rates to push credit growth that we're seeing this kind of factor?
Not really. As you can imagine, I'm not going to be able to talk to you about any numbers. It's just a couple of weeks down the line that we can declare our results and we can talk about that. But as I said, in the whole transmission mechanism, which is now a part of the base rate calculation, really leaves very little flexibility, or just as you can't be proactive, you can't be reactive, and you sort of do that in that very quarter.
तो एचडीएफसी बैंक ने बेस रेट पर 0.1% की एक मामूली कटौती की है। नया बेस रेट 9.7% है, तो ये मामूली कटौती हुई है। खैर अब ज़्यादा ईएमआई में फ़र्क नहीं आएगा, लेकिन फिर भी एटलीस्ट जो बेस रेट कटौती का सिलसिला एचडीएफसी की तरफ से वो शुरू किया गया है। एक अहम बैठक में होने वाली 29 जनवरी को आरबीआई की, जिस पर समीक्षा होनी है। अगर यहाँ से कुछ और सिग्नल आते हैं रेपो रेट, रिवर्स रेपो या CRR में कट के, हालांकि लास्ट टाइम भी 0.25% का कट की उम्मीद थी, हुआ नहीं। अगर इस बार होता है तो शायद हो सकता है क्लाइंट को कुछ पास ऑन होता हुआ आते दिखे। आगे बढ़ते हैं, सेंसेक्स पे स्ट्रेटजी देखते हैं।